Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to have a little chit chat about where we've been, what changes are coming into our homeschool, and how I'm overcoming some challenges. So it's the end of the year for us and there are a lot of changes happening in Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and in our family and with the kids and all that stuff. So I just wanted to share with you a little bit of why I haven't been posting as much as I normally do, but I do plan to get back on here full swing, give you guys a bunch of videos. And I know that you guys have requested lots of curriculum reviews. Some of you guys want some day in the life vlogs of homeschooling. Some of you guys want to get to know the family. So I have some field trips, some birthdays, all that stuff coming up. So first I just want to talk about that homeschool rut. Like how many of you guys get in that end of the year homeschool rut? I mean, it may even be in the middle of the year, but for me, it's coming at the end of the year where I'm just ready to just finish off all the curriculum and just take a break. So normally here in our home, we normally homeschool year round. We normally just take off as needed throughout the year. So like this past year, we took off about 6 weeks for the end of Thanksgiving all the way through the entire month of December and in January. But if you guys have been following my channel, we have been having a challenging homeschool year for the past 2 years. If you have been following us for a while, you know some of the struggles that we've been having in our family. And if you don't know what the heck I'm talking about, you can check out this video here. It's kind of an ad for a supplement that I'm using, but it explains some of the struggles that I've been facing. So within this time period, we have really been continuing to homeschool and just trying to get things together. So within that time, my oldest daughter, who's heading into 7th grade this coming school year for the 2019-2020 school year, and she has been wanting to go to school, you guys. She wants to go to school. She is my most social child. She loves to be around friends, and being a homeschooler, it's not really possible to do that every day. Like when I grew up in a city, and we had lots of kids in the neighborhood to play with, and although there are kids here to play with, they're at school all day, and the school here is very intense. So these kids are coming out of school about 4:45, and then they have like an hour of homework to do after that, and so they're pretty busy kids. There's no time. There's no kids playing in the neighborhood now, so that leaves for me to have to set up play dates all of the time. And my oldest, she wants the school experience. So we are setting her up with her wishes, and we know that she will be just fine. She has the perfect personality. She's grounded in her faith. She's grounded in her moral roots, and she will be able to handle whatever comes her way. I feel like we've raised her well enough, and we've gone through lots of things. She's not blind to the things that are out there, and ultimately she does live in this world, and I think that homeschooling may not be for everyone. I am going to continue to homeschool my other 2 children. I have one going into 3rd grade and a preschooler who's going to be starting full-time school this coming year, so that's exciting. So there's going to be lots of changes here. As my older one goes off to school, I will be starting to focus a lot of my videos towards my younger ones. And there's going to be a lot of new things coming up for the school year for them, and I'm excited about that. I'm excited about their new curriculum, all the things that we're going to do with them. So I am going to convention this year, and I will be posting that video for you guys. I'm going to take you along with me, and there'll be lots of new curriculum reviews, lots of stuff to look forward to. So make sure that you guys stay tuned. Now going back to this homeschool rut, personally, I've been feeling unmotivated for everything. I'm unmotivated to even like clean my house. Like I just want to just relax. I'm tired. I'm kind of burned out. I just want to enjoy the day. I just want to wake up and see what the day brings and not worry about teaching, not worry about schooling or homework or chores. I just want to have a free summer. So what we're going to do to beat this homeschool rut this year is a couple of things. One, I'm taking off the whole summer. We're going to school through the rest of May. We're going to have off June and July. I'm going to start off my younger 2 August 1st, and then my oldest one, she goes back in the first couple of weeks of August. Another thing that's, you know, I've been forgetting my why of homeschooling. And when you get in that homeschool rut, you get tired. Sometimes you feel a little frustrated over things not working out the way that you have planned. You know, I hadn't planned for my oldest one to go to school. I had planned to homeschool her all the way through high school. But things change and life changes, and you kind of have to go with the flow. So I've been needing some motivation. So that's why I'm going to my homeschool convention to check out all the courses and the speakers and all the veteran moms who've been in the game longer than I have been, and get some advice and refresher. And it's always beneficial for us to continue to learn and to grow and to get that refresher that night away or that weekend away, and just get your planner out and just replan your whole year. Second thing to do to get out of your homeschool rut is to remember your why and set goals. So take out your new planner. Think about all the fun things that you wanted to do this year that you couldn't, and why couldn't you do those things? What obstacles were in your way? And then plan the new year to overcome those obstacles or work around them and do some new things. So there's, like I said, I'm gonna make another video because I don't want this to be too long, on all of our new plans for my younger ones this year for our homeschooling. And I'm very excited about those things. So get yourself excited about the next coming year and schedule some field trips or whatever it is that you have to do to schedule a new year. You also want to have some goals in mind, some goals that help you to make sure, like maybe some monthly goals. I'm going to set some monthly goals that are going to help me make sure, like, to reevaluate what it is that I'm trying to do in each child. And I want to have monthly goals for them, so that at the end of the month I can see what we've been working towards. Have we been working towards those things? I don't want another year to go by and the things that I didn't accomplish weren't accomplished. I don't want to just, you know, drag our feet through the year. I really want to get more excited about our next homeschooling year. So the next big tip is definitely take a break. It's okay, you don't have to homeschool year round. You can take the whole summer off. You don't have to do summer schooling. If you're the type of person who feels like your kids always have to be learning, you always have to be doing something, they don't. It's okay to have a break. You remember when you went to school and you needed that summer break, so that when you went back to school in August or September, you felt refreshed, you got your new school supplies, your new school clothes, and you were excited to start the new school year. So that's kind of what we're doing, is we're stopping. We've been homeschooling straight through since we started, about 7 years now, with taking breaks in between. And now we're going to start following the school schedule that my daughter's going to, and we are taking off in the summer. We're going to do some summer camps, we're going to have some swimming days, beach days, and we are just going to relax and just get a mental refresher. That's what I need, and maybe you guys need it too. So those are my tips on how to get out of your end of the year homeschool rut. I'm going to make some videos, guys. You can be looking forward to end of the year evaluations, how to make a portfolio, ways to choose your new curriculum, different curriculum choices. When I go to convention and I sit there and I listen to all the speakers, I'm going to make a couple of videos for you guys on the things that I have learned to help you through your new homeschool year. We're going to have some end of the year wrap-up videos, some summer vlogs. We're going to have, God willing, some field trips once a month this year, so you guys will get to see that, a lot of day in the lives, because I really want to make this school year exciting for my kids and for you guys too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, got a little bit of insight as to where we have been, what I'm doing to get out of my homeschool rut, and also things that are coming up this year. If you're a homeschooler, obviously you are a homeschooler if you're watching this video or you're thinking about it, make sure you guys check out my playlist. I have a playlist on curriculum reviews. If you guys are looking for curriculum for your next school year, I have a playlist on day in the life for homeschoolers. If you guys are curious as to how we homeschool, maybe get some ideas for your own homeschool, maybe you want to feel more normal and that show that what you're doing is okay. I also have a playlist on just family lives, just us as a family, different trips that we've taken. Some of those are a little older, but they're still a lot of fun. You get to know us a little bit. My husband's in some of those. He isn't in hardly any of these videos, and we'll be making more of those. I also have a playlist on the good and the beautiful, all of their curriculum, because we use the majority of our curriculum this year has been from the good and the beautiful, so I have a playlist on that. I have Toddler and Preschooler Tuesdays coming again every Tuesday. Just debating whether or not I'm going to continue over the summer or start again the next school year. If you guys have videos you want to see, let me know. I know some of you guys requested some preschooler curriculum videos, but we're not really doing much of curriculum right now with my preschooler. But if there's other types of videos you want to see with preschoolers, let me know. I may take a break over the summer with the Toddler Preschooler Tuesday and continue up with the next year. So anyway guys, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. There's lots of good things coming, as I've mentioned, and I look forward to making those videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.